Hey guys, you know what this is? We're gonna open it together. It's a one-time unboxing experience, so can't mess it up. Putting it on the wall. Break that seal of approval. It's coming straight from PlayStation Direct. Man, this is the definition of an unboxing experience. It says, yep, even tells you how to open it. This up. Then I do it right. Okay. So we got the accessories box with the controller. Oh my gosh. Feels amazing. Stand, power cable, but the feast, the resistance. And voila, PlayStation 5. Doing this with one hand, guys. So doesn't matter if it's late, it's here. That's it. Now to go plug it up. I know you guys already know what it looks like. Now to go plug it up, give it a test run.